Applicable criteria. The criteria used by the responsible party when compiling the pro forma financial information. Criteria may be established by an authority or recognized standard setting organization or a law or regulation. Where established criteria does not exist, they will develop by the responsible party. Um, for some audits, some procedures, certain things to be followed irrespective of their rules and regulations. For example, fixed asset audit. We're going. What you'll do? So we will see fixed asset register first. That should be a register name, fixed asset register. Second, every asset to be given asset code. Third, in the fixed register, you should have which date this invoice is bought, this asset was bought, what is the price of the asset, description of the asset, if the photo of the asset and the bought is there, should be there. Invoice is there, respective invoice, the invoice register should be kept, fixed as a register, invoice also should be kept separately and safely till the day of depreciation. Completely straw. You should have that asset, invoices and all. So this is the thing. Such a way, some criteria to be applied for something.